task.
Okay, so after you did that task, so you have read a paragraph as well, and now I am going to tell you some four parts of a good story paragraph because next you are going to create your own paragraph by writing a short story draft. All right, so for that, you need this knowledge and keep this in your mind. So, first of all, the first part is the hook. So, when you're writing a good paragraph, you have to grab the reader first. Like, for example, I knew something was wrong the moment I woke up. So, that makes you engaged in the reading, right? And the next part is setting. Setting is like the location or time. Show where, when the scene happens. For example, the sky was still dark and the house was silent. So you can imagine how the setting is created in the story. And then we are looking at the third part, character or characters involved in the story. Show what character or characters are doing or feeling in the story. For example, I have included the example here. I pulled the blanket tighter around me. So the character is feeling maybe cold or sad or emotional at that time, right? And then next part is tension. So you're showing the hint that something is about to happen. So it can be a descriptive sentence, and also you can use many adjectives as possible as well. But you're not like directly saying that because this is a short story and you had to be creative as much as possible. For example, in the sentence, then a loud crash came from downstairs. So, what happens next? So, it engages your reader. So, I hope up to this point this is clear for you. So, the four parts of a good story paragraph that you're going to write next should be the hook. First, you have to grab the reader, and the setting, show where and when the scene happens, and the character or characters, showing what the characters are doing or feeling. And the next part is tension, hint that something is about to happen in the story. Okay? And next one is some simple sentence starters examples. So I have included more examples for you to understand it more clearly. So for the hook, you can use anything like everything changed when, and then you can continue your sentence. Everything changed when something happened. You can continue your idea. And setting around me, what is happening, what is the time, or what is the location. You can describe it in your own words. And character, my hands shook as what? So you can describe about your character how it is feeling. And then the tension, suddenly, what happened? Suddenly. So likewise, you can use these words. And also, this is just an example. You can use your own words and you can use your creative ideas to write your paragraph.